Hello and welcome to my social safe list review. In this review, I'm going to show you everything that you need to know about social safe list. And I'm also going to take you inside the members area to show you exactly what you get with social safe list. So social safe lists, they say that you get instant buyer traffic and eyeballs every single day, starting today in the next 10 minutes even without a website, creating content, solo ads, paid ads, SEO, videos, or technical stuff. So they're pretty much saying that you can get traffic right now from buyer traffic, which is 100% true. And you're going to see that here in just a second, that you can get buyer traffic to any link that you want. And I'm going to show you exactly what they mean. So how it works is Jeremy Kennedy, which is the creator of Social Safe List, he's built up multiple buyer communities online specifically for you to actually spam your links and offers in. So pretty much everybody that he's given access to these communities is a buyer of one of his products in some way, shape, or form. So everybody in these groups are going to be buyers. So you're going to be able to put any one of your links, no matter what it is, no matter what niche it is, you're going to be able to put those links of yours in front of other people that's already bought something. So these people are proven buyers. And he's even said that he's made sales from these groups. So let me go ahead and take you inside the members area. So basically, there's not really that much to show you for the members area. It's just a one type of video, just says watch this first, and he tells you exactly what it is and how to get started with it. So basically, all you're going to do is you're going to join the groups that he has put in here, and pretty much just clicking a button and join in those groups from those buttons. So here are the groups that you can join with this. And it's a Facebook group, it's a Slack community, it's a Telegram group, it's a Microsoft Teams community, and it's a subreddit. Now, also, there is an upsell in there. I don't know exactly which one it is. You have to go through the upsells. But one of the upsells is a Discord, which is a live chat. You can live chat with people that have joined a masterclass with him in the past. And these people are 6-digit figure marketers, and you can actually chat with them. You can't spam the links in that one, but you can actually join and talk to marketers that really know what they're doing. And also, he's giving you access to an unannounced bonus, which is link share secrets. And it gives you all modules, and he shows you just a way to share your affiliate link 5 or 6 times. And he'll show you the exact process that you need to do and just make it really, really simple. And that's just an unannounced bonus that he's given you. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please click the like below. Also subscribe to the channel for more review videos like this. And thank you for watching my Social Safe List review.